Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on changing the battery of your Surface 1901. In this tutorial, we will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you have all the information you need to complete the task safely and effectively. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a T5 Torx screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely removing the back panel and disconnecting the battery without causing any damage. 1. Power off your device. First, ensure that your Surface 1901 is completely powered off. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the battery replacement. 2. Remove the back cover. Using the T5 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws located around the perimeter of the back cover. There are typically 8 screws, make sure to keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any connectors inside. 3. Disconnect the battery. Once the cover is off, locate the battery connector. Use your spudger to carefully lift the connector off the motherboard. Ensure that you do this slowly to avoid any damage to the connectors. 4. Remove the old battery. Now, you can remove the old battery. Depending on the model, it may be held in place by adhesive. Use the spudger to gently detach the battery from its compartment. Remember to handle it with care to avoid puncturing it. 5. Clean the interior. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the interior of the device. Use a soft cloth and a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to remove dust and debris. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. 6. Install the new battery. Take your new battery and carefully place it into the compartment. Make sure it fits snugly and that the connectors align correctly. Press down gently to ensure it adheres properly. 7. Reconnect the battery. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard. Make sure it clicks into place securely. If you're unsure, refer to the manual for guidance. 8. Replace the back cover. Once the battery is connected, it's time to replace the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently. Reinsert the screws using the T5 Torx screwdriver to secure it back in place. 9. Power on your device. Finally, power on your Surface 1901 to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the device powers on and recognizes the new battery, congratulations! You've successfully changed the battery. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring convenience with no calls or travel necessary. You can also get a quote before any repair, allowing for clarity on costs. By following these steps, you should be able to change the battery on your Surface 1901 with ease. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Happy repairing! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.